Well, we're out here working on the Walden again. We're going to go from a 2-valve that I don't think is very good to a 3-valve, which I hope is brand new, so it should be good. I have about $1,300 invested into that with all the fittings, and I have to change the push and pulls, and the valve itself is about $1,300. So now I have to take that, and I have to put it onto that plate, but I have to make sure that these two valves, when these two valves are facing the same way, and they're pretty much in line, because those are the hard lines, all the other ones are rubber, so they can be changed. So let's go set this thing up, and we'll try to get it to the way that it is, pretty much. So what we have is we have this, and what we want to do is we want to take this, and we want to update it a bit to make it look like to this. I really hope this works. It's definitely a half-decent job. Now, I'm going to go try to lift this into the machine. I did have to cut one bolt to already install it, so hopefully this thing goes in there half-decently smooth. It's kind of in a super, super awkward spot to put it in. And let's go try to put this thing in, because it looks pretty here on the bench, but hopefully it looks even prettier inside the damn machine. Well, if you guys can't tell, the sun's going down. I've been out here, the sun is pretty much down. I've been out here working on this thing now for 4 hours. 4 hours trying to put this valve inside there. I've got it all in there except for the power at the forks, which I haven't ran them yet. So I do have the bulkheads, I just don't have any of the lines, so I just want to test this thing to see if it's going to lift a car now. I haven't started it yet since putting it all back together. All my tools are just in this bucket right here, so like I haven't even done that. Let's go see if she'll lift the car. So I think the perfect guinea pig is this Toyota Camry. It has no exhaust, it's got no gas tank, it's got an oil pan, but I'm not going to go anywhere near that. And it's kind of stripped, so it kind of weighs a little bit less. If this loader lifts this car, I'm going to keep it. If it doesn't lift the car, I'm not going to keep it. So let's drive it out here. You guys can hear it idling. Let's see if it'll do it. It doesn't lift the car, but look at that, I got it fixed. So yeah, it does not lift the car, but that's what I wanted. I wanted it to basically lift until the rear tires came off the ground. So I guess it won't lift 4,000 pounds. Whatever, I'm happy. It does what I wanted to do now. I'm going to invest more money into it. But the fact that it won't lift the car is not really very good for me. So I just broke it. I drove up to a stump over there and Bent all the quick attach. So I guess I have a job to do tomorrow now. Make these things glow red and then force them back. But at least with the thing running now, I can kind of use the hydraulics to help force it back. But my God, if it isn't one thing with this, it's another. Oh, cheap Amazon crap. Look at that. I guess once these things get straightened out, I'm gonna have to put a plate on the back side of here just to kind of keep these straight. If it isn't one thing, it's another. So, yep, we'll be working on this tomorrow now. Can't even move the lockdown pins because they got frozen into it so damn bad. But, the hydraulics work good. Now you guys seen it take the tires off the ground. I really kind of upset it won't lift the car, but impressed that it actually lifted something. So, alright, well, I guess tomorrow I'm gonna be fixing this now. It never ends with this goddamn Walden. Holy crap. Well, we got the Walden going again, and it's taken the 3-liter away because I want this thing out of my way. Now, we've done some more things to this Walden since the last time you guys checked. That's a brand new 3-position valve put into this. So now I got forks and tilt. I had to put a extra little piece in the middle. It looks like crap, but don't worry, it is crap. Because I actually bent all of this Amazon 3-point hitch, quick attach skid steer. So now it's all reinforced again. And now I have power at the forks. I'm just waiting for my hose clamps to come in. I just wanted to run it to make sure I got everything the way I wanted it to. I'm actually probably going to move them back up a bit and give myself a little bit more slack up there. But the 3-liter is out of the shop.